What could that be? What is this? Oh, who left you here, little friend? Come in, come in. Hola amigos, we are Plakata Cards, and today we bring you the Volume 19 opening of the Rookie Card Explosion box. This month, this amazing product brings a new look, probably a special edition, perhaps part of a pilot project. We will find out, but as you can see, it does come with various stickers. We have some flowers, we have a butterfly, a rainbow, a heart, so not sure what that's all about. And here at the front, it seems to come in a different color, and it looks like maybe it is a special edition. It reads the Baby Rookie Card Explosion box, and this product is by Papa Philmington. And I think this is, according to the literature, I went on the websites and all these social media sites, and the literature there says that this is the parent company of Philmington. So let's get in and let's find out. Let's see what's in here. All right, with this little rainbow here. All right, okay. Oh, this month we have pink peanuts. Oh, a lot of pink this month. All right, let's get in here and let's see. What's this? Oh, some crayons for coloring. All right, so maybe this is like a baby edition. Oh, a little stuffy. A Blue Jays fan, perhaps. All right. What else is in here? Let's see. A diaper. All right, a diaper. So it looks like this is this month's baby edition of the Rookie Card Explosion box. All right, so we want to send Philmington a huge congratulations on the birth of his baby. A huge congratulations to his wife, to him, and to baby Philmington. Really excited for you guys. Treasure this time together. We hope that everyone at home is doing well. So now let's move on to the opening. The boys have chosen their packs, and this month they have left me with the 93, the 2018 Series 1, and the 2020 Series 2. So let's get going. 93, I think I stopped collecting in 92, so I don't recall ever opening any of this stuff here. So, all right, let's see here. Rich DeLucia, Mariners. Greg Hibbard, White Sox. Buddy Groom, Brent Maine. Steve Sachs, watched him with the Dodgers. Roger McDowell, Greg Harris. Tim Salmon. Kirby Puckett, pretty cool card. I saw some other YouTubers pull this one and I really liked it, so quite excited to get this. Alright, so Steve Puchel, that's the gold. Derek May. Tony Wynn. Always nice getting a Tony Wynn. Gary DiSarcina. Brooke Jacoby. And Doug Jones. Alright, so that's the first one, so no Jeter there. Okay, this one has lots of rookies that we're looking for. Eduardo Rodriguez, Todd Frazier, Amit Rosario, Cody Bellinger Cup, that's nice. Springer, this is for Cheyenne's PC. There's Bueller, nice. I'll take that, wonderful. Move on to 2020. So here we're looking for Luis Robert, Joey Gallo, the inaugural season. All right, our hometown Blue Jays with Bo and Calvin, Gardner, Duffy, Roman Brantley, who I believe was the one that gave the look yesterday.
Some emotion on the field right now. That's why Joe's looking. He slightly missed the base, and then he gets spiked a little bit, and that's why he glanced back at Brantley.
All right, a gold of Will Smith Rookie Cup. I'll take that too. Jason Hayward. And we have a rookie of Dom Nunez. not Luis Robert rookie. All right, we'll pass it over to Cheyenne now.
So I'll get into my first pack. We're going to start off with 2020 Series 1. Anthony Rendon. Albert Mora. Josh Bell. Jonathan Villa. Robel Garcia. Patrick Corbin. Luisi Alliger.
Jesus Aguilar. Jorge Alfaro.
He does look angry in that picture. Logan Allen. Yadi Molina. That can go to my brother's PC. Probably already has that card. And Houston Astros Dean card. I'll take that card. George Brett, 1980s. Brian Anderson. And Mike Mostak. So I'll get into the 2017 Chrome.
You never opened this one before, right?
No.
This is gonna be for us. Alright. DJ LeMahieu. It's not with the Yankees.
Michael Fulmer.
Yeah, future stars.
David Price.
Setting up this year with the Dodgers.
And Robinson Cano.
Alright.
Alright, to get into my third pack, it is 2019 Heritage number.
So you're looking for Tatis, Pete Alonso, Lottie.
Oh, I see, what are those called?
Oh, the Chrome.
Yeah.
Want to put it at the back? Want to take those two to the back? And then go. Alright.
JT Martinez.
Oh, look, you got another DJ LeMahieu.
I mean, Garrett. Brian.
Byron.
Brenton.
Buxton.
Matt Barnes.
Pedro Avila.
And
it's a Yankee. Cameron Maven. Alright, I got a Chrome.
2019 Bowman.
Wander Franco. Julio Rodriguez. Marco Luciano. Joey Bart.
Yohan Moncada. Christian Yelich. Will Myers. Kevin Pillar.
Christian Pache. Nice. I think that might be the first Pache we get.
Oh, what would you call this card?
This Yusniel Diaz. It
Oh,
looks like it's a top 100
Yeah.
from last year.
Ethan Hinkins. Taylor Winder. Andrew Gimmons.
Yeah, Andres Jimenez.
Casey Miz.
Nice. All right. So we'll pass it over to Dylan now.
So I'll get into my first pack. 2019 Update Series. Howard Ramirez. Mike Touchman. Yonder Alonso. CJ Cron. Kyle Quattro.
Quantrill, yeah, he's not far from us.
Ryan Hesley rookie. Hazel Robles. Bailey Homer.
Homer Bailey, yeah.
Oh.
Thyro Estrada.
AJ Pollock. T.Y. France rookie. Ty France. How's that as T.Y.? Tom
Camley. Oh, nice card. Luis Arraez. He's on the list.
And then Christian Yelich. This is a 14 home runs in April. An insert.
Okay, nice. Next one.
So now for 2015 Update Series.
Here we're looking for Lindor, Correa, Bryant, Gallo. Rodriguez.
And I personally Mark Lowe.
So that's probably a gold.
Yeah, it's another Gary Ruiz, Casey McKean, Jack Lee, Leatherstitch, Tucker Barnhart, and Albert Pujols All-Star Game.
Right. What's next?
2013 Series 1. Josh Johnson,
I like these cards.
Rafael
Soriano.
Yeah. Brian Wilson, Andrew Jones, Crick Lewin, Luis, Christian Garcia, rookie.
Oh, you got a mini.
Dustin Pedroia mini. Cool card. Keith Bell, Scott Hairston, and a Kyle Kennedy. For my last pack, 2018 update series, Nick Marcus,
All-Star.
Brad Boxberger, Alex Bregman, Jonathan Villar, Christian Arroyo, Chris Bryant, Reggie Jackson,
Nice one.
Brad Hand, Kelly Jansen, and Jesse
Jesus Aguilar. So here's a recap of our best pulls. Once again, big congrats to Philmington and his family. And let us know what you thought about this opening of volume 19 of the special edition, the Baby Rookie Expulsion Box. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care, everyone. Thank you for watching.